In the last 24 hours, 5 more people have fallen victim to measles. The majority of fatalities remains in the 0 to 4 years age category. However, there has now been 1 fatality in the 5 to 9 years age category and 1 death between 20 and 29 years of age. Many of the deceased were unvaccinated, making the government even more eager to continue the mass vaccination campaign, as it is the safest and most efficient form of protection against the measles virus. As of now, there have been 4,052 confirmed measles cases, 23 of which are currently in critical condition at the ICU, HDU, and Tupua Tamasese Meaole hospital, while the 1,009 patients who have been discharged from all hospitals may show some promise, as 81% of those who were admitted to all health facilities have since been discharged. The increasing death toll continues to ignite a lot of concern and worry amongst all Samoans. In an effort to quicken and further increase the reach of the mass vaccination campaign, the government has announced that it will be undertaking a door-to-door mass vaccination campaign starting tomorrow, December 5th, in which mobile clinics will be dispersed in villages throughout the country. This campaign will last till Friday. Francine Elisaya for Telefo.